Okay, so today this wipes, it's reviewing an exchange for an honest review. It was a free sample given by the brand, and they are these moisturizing wipes. So you use them to clean your pet, grooming, or just deodorizing. If your pet goes out and, for example, is all dirty, then you can use this pet to wipe them, remove any dirt or something. I'm planning to use it mostly on the paws of my dog. Don't put it around the nose or the eyes. Don't try to wipe the ears either. These are not ear wipes, but I like them. They don't smell like anything, and they have clean ingredients for the dogs. I also like it that the box is a 4 pack, and you have 80 towelettes here. They look like any baby towelette, but this is especially for animals. So for a cat, for a dog, I feel very comfortable using this. I won't do it anywhere on the face, on the head. Besides that, they're pretty awesome and they're very useful to have. Thank you for watching my video.